Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the T-Cross R-Line finished in reef blue metallic paint, featuring the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with a full Volkswagen service history, alongside the approved used benefits which I'll mention at the end of the video, including 2 years warranty and much more. At the front of the vehicle you benefit from those LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And down the side you've got these 18-inch Nevada alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, as well as the optionally fitted power folding wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B pillar backwards as well. There's a generous amount of boot space available with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting, and also split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. Moving inside, you get the park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats with ISOFIX point on the outer seats, and also a couple USB ports in the back for rear passengers to charge any devices. At the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel you got a full digital display housing all your vital driving information, including assistance systems such as lane assist. And alongside digital radio and your Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror up from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. To help with parking, you'll benefit from front and rear parking sensors. There's even an optionally fitted rear view camera as well. Moving a little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage just below and a couple of USB ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.